Good afternoon and welcome to BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. It's the 30th of October and we have our guest today, Tina Teng, Markets Analyst from CMC Markets, coming to us out of Auckland, New Zealand. Now, Tina, as always, great to have you on the show.
Hi, Brian. Thanks for having me again.
Now, Tina, first of all, we've got to talk about two key events this week. Obviously, central bank meetings as well as Apple earnings. Perhaps for a start, could you just give us your insights into what are the expectations around the Fed and the Bank of Japan?
So right now, markets are pricing there's no more rate hikes by the Fed this week. There will be the second consecutive time of pause rate hikes by the Reserve Bank. I think right now, because the U.S. Government budget deficit has surged, and also there's a war ongoing in the Middle East, they increased the uncertainties around the global economic outlook. And for the Bank of Japan, there's also no expectation of the bank to change policies. I think they'll remain accommodative and just ultra low monetary policy.
Now, Tina, then how about this week's other big story that's on the corporate side? Everyone is watching Apple earnings that are out this week. What are your expectations around that?
From the consensus, so Apple, because the iPhone sales had a decline in China, which a major impact on the Apple's earnings outcome. So I would expect that the revenue would continue to decline year-on-year growth. However, Apple recently saw acceleration in its service revenues growth, which means that this could offset some of the decline in the hardware sales. So the overall revenue growth could be in the expectation, but it will still show a slowdown.
Now, finally, Tina, we've got a lot of asset class movements on Wall Street now. Give us your insights in terms of everything from gold to Bitcoin and, of course, the oil.
So since the Hamas and Israel war started, the risk of sentiment has been dominating the market movements. We can see how assets like gold and the US dollar and also even the Bitcoin have been strong, especially gold have hit 5 months high. I think from this week, we could see signs of reversing like rotation in the asset classes, which we could see if the Fed would slow down or soften its tone at rate hikes, that might cause a rebound in the equity markets. So there's near-term rebounding opportunities in the risk asset like equities, and also oil and gold could remain strong and cautious. However, probably we can see just the momentum may ease in this week.
Now, Tina, as always, thank you very much for coming on the show and thanks for your insights.
Thanks, Brian.
Now, we've been speaking to Tina Teng, Markets Analyst at CMC Markets, and this has been BizTech's Asian Midday Market Watch. I'm Brian Fernandez. Check out this show on our website, www.biztech.asia, as well as our syndication partners, TV stations, radio stations, and websites. Thanks a lot for tuning in.